Hey guys, and welcome back to this summer reset to start your week off right. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend and are feeling refreshed and ready for a brand new week. Today's video is packed with all the summer inspiration and motivation to help you get into that summer spirit. I've also got you covered with some cleaning motivation and gardening. Plus, I have my weekly trip to the farmers market and a bit of thrifting. I'm also sharing how I've been staying hydrated with a simple summer infused water. And maybe the most exciting part of all is I have a huge living room update to share with you guys. So if this video gives you that summer spark to tackle your to-do list this week, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. living room, I have something really exciting to show you guys. I think last time I spoke to you, I was talking about how we were going to have this media unit fitted. So let me show you the progress. It is not quite finished, but we are practically there. Ben and I are both really happy with how this has turned out. It is huge, but I think this wall needed something like this. I've mentioned this so many times about how we wanted to do this, and then we finally got someone booked in who's been doing it over the last couple of weeks. They're just coming to finish the top. There's just going to be one more shelf up there, and then we're going to get a few crates because we're going to get it sprayed the same colour as the bar cart. This is the colour of the bar cart. You have to excuse the dust. Everything is covered in green dust, so I need to give it a good clean, but we thought it would be a nice idea to continue the colour onto the media unit. And then the other thing that needs to be done on this is, which the carpenter will do along with the shelf, is we've chosen some handles to go on. Actually, let me show you them. So these are the ones we chose. I think they are a brushed brass, I believe, but I will link them down below. They are from Etsy and they were a really great price for the quality of them. They're nice and heavy, and then we're going to put them here so they go in line with the top part of the shaker door. So I think they'll look really nice, and especially when this whole unit has been sprayed. But I am so happy with how much storage there is in here now. We've got all shelves in. I'm not going to intentionally fill it with loads of stuff. It's just nice to have the extra space and storage for everything that I've been wanting to put in these kind of cabinets for the living room. So I hope you guys love the progress in here. The next thing we're going to be doing is painting the walls in here while we get someone booked in to spray the cabinet. I think that's our next step that we can easily do on our own. So I will keep you updated on the progress in here. Now I am going to do a bit of dusting in here. I know we will get a bit more dust from the last shelf being put in, but it does need a little bit of a clean and tidy and sort out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.